Welcome to the best picks. The best CB radio brackets is probably one of the most overlooked components when setting up your communication system. A solid bracket ensures your radio stays put, whether you're navigating rough terrains or cruising down the highway. Choosing the right one can significantly impact your radio's performance and your overall experience. So, let's dive into the world of CB radio mounting brackets and find the perfect fit for your needs. Number 5. ROADPRO RP235 Adjustable Mounting Bracket. This is the ROADPRO RP235, a versatile mounting bracket. It's designed to securely hold your CB radios, scanners, and other devices. The bracket is adjustable, fitting a variety of devices. It can expand from 6 to 10 inches in width, ensuring a perfect fit for your equipment. Use it to mount your CB radios, scanners, radar detectors, or even your car stereo. This bracket offers a flexible solution for your needs. This mounting bracket is built to last. It is a reliable accessory for your vehicle, keeping your devices secure. Get the ROADPRO RP235 today and enjoy a clutter-free and organized setup in your vehicle. It is easy to install and use. What we like. This bracket offers adjustable width, fitting a variety of devices. It's also universally compatible, making it a versatile choice. If you are looking for a flexible mounting solution for different radios and accessories, you should consider this one. What people say. It is adjustable to fit different sizes, great mount. It's universal. It's an adjustable bracket. What can one say that the picture doesn't? Standard steel, I think, with a good coating on it that should prevent scratching your radio or whatever you're mounting. Comes with nuts and bolts so you're good to go. 6 to 10 adjustability as described. Number 4. Workman CB Radio Mount Bracket Kit for Cobra 148. This is the Workman CB Radio Mount Bracket Kit. It's designed to securely mount your CB radio in your vehicle. This kit ensures a stable and reliable setup for your communication needs. This bracket kit is compatible with Cobra 148, Unit and Grant, Galaxy, and Conic CB radio models. It's a versatile solution for various radio types. Make sure it fits your radio before installation. The kit includes a durable black bracket. The bracket provides a sturdy base for your radio. It's built to withstand the rigors of daily use. The kit comes with self-piercing mounting screws and knobs for easy installation. You can quickly and easily set up the bracket. It's designed for a straightforward installation process. The package includes one 8x2.5 black bracket for self-piercing mounting screws and 4 black 5mm knobs. Everything you need is included in the kit. Get yours today and mount your radio. What we like. This kit includes everything you need for a quick setup. It's designed for easy installation, saving you time and effort. If you are looking for a hassle-free mounting solution, this is the one for you. What people say. Functions as intended. Good product and value. Bought this for a 1977 Cobra 29 XLR CB radio. It fits, it's just a hair too wide but still usable. Bracket fits Galaxy radios well. Finish was decent and should be solid enough. Number 3. Workman DX1C CB radio mounting bracket for DX Cobra 148. This is the Workman DX1C mounting bracket. It's designed to replace the original bracket for your CB radio. This bracket ensures a secure fit for your device. The DX1C is specifically made for use with DX and Cobra 148 CB radios. It's a perfect fit for these models, ensuring your radio is mounted correctly. This will help you get the best performance. The bracket features a sleek chrome finish. This not only provides a stylish look, but also adds durability. It's designed to withstand regular use. Installing this bracket is straightforward. Simply replace your old bracket with this one. Please note that hardware is not included, so you'll need to use your existing screws. This replacement bracket is built to last. It provides a sturdy base for your radio. You can rely on it for years of use. What we like. This bracket is specifically designed for DX and Cobra 148 radios. It also features a stylish chrome finish. If you like a bracket that matches your radio and vehicle's aesthetic, you should consider this. What people say. Fits Cobra 148 GTL very well. Fits my Galaxy DX959 pretty well. Fits perfectly. Number 2. Workman DX1B CB Radio Mounting Bracket. This mounting bracket is designed to securely hold your CB radio in place. It's a reliable solution for keeping your radio stable while you're on the road. This ensures clear communication and easy access. The bracket is compatible with a range of CB radio models, including Cobra 148, Unit and Grant, Galaxy, and Connex. It's a versatile choice, offering broad compatibility. You can easily install it with your existing setup. Made with high-quality materials, this bracket is built to last. It can withstand the rigors of daily use and the vibrations of your vehicle. The robust construction provides long-lasting performance. Installing this bracket is a breeze. It comes with all the necessary hardware and simple instructions. You'll have it mounted and ready to go in no time. Specifically designed for the Workman DX1B, this bracket offers a perfect fit. It ensures your radio is securely mounted and easily accessible. It's the ideal accessory for your CB radio setup. What we like. This bracket is specifically designed for Cobra 148, Unit and Grant, Galaxy, and Connex radios. It's built to last. If you have a compatible radio and need a reliable mount, this is a great choice. What people say. Fits great. Perfect as was described. This is much better quality than stock. Looks good and fits well. Would buy again. Shipping was fast. Number 1. Workman HUM1 Hump Mount Bracket. This Workman HUM1 bracket is designed for CB and ham radios. It securely bolts to your vehicle's hump or any other suitable surface, providing a stable base for your radio. The adjustable mounting brackets ensure a perfect fit for various vehicle configurations. This allows you to position it exactly where you need it. The tiltable top feature allows for an angled view, making it easier to see and operate your radio. This improves usability and convenience. Built with robust steel, this bracket is made to last. It can withstand the rigors of daily use, providing long-term reliability. Measuring 7 inches wide, 5 inches deep, and 2.5 to 4 inches high, it offers a compact design. It fits well in various vehicles without taking up too much space. What we like. This bracket is designed for hump mounting, offering a unique placement option. It also features a tiltable top for better viewing angles. If you have limited dash space or prefer a floor-mounted option, you should consider it. What people say. Feet are adjustable to fit contour of hump. Radio display angle fully adjustable between mount angle and additional bracket mounting angle. Sturdy, holds up to a 7 pounds radio with bracket and does not move excessively. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.